Did you know you can start voice typing just by holding the side button on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? There's a setting called Use Side Button for voice input, but it can be confusing at first. If you only press the side button once, the screen will just turn off. The trick is that you need to press and hold the side button while the keyboard is open. Here's how to enable it and use it. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management. Tap Samsung Keyboard Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Voice Input. Now, turn on Use Side button for voice input. To use this feature, open any app where you can type, like Messages or Note. Make sure the Samsung keyboard is open. Now, press and hold the side button. Start speaking, and your phone will convert your speech into text. Release the side button when you are done speaking to stop voice input. And that's how to use the side button for voice input on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just remember, press and hold the side button while the keyboard is open to start voice typing instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.